The image features a close-up of a cat licking its paw, appearing quite relaxed and content. It has a mix of gray and white fur and is sitting on a red surface, possibly a couch or chair. The background includes greenery, suggesting an outdoor or natural setting. The cat seems to be enjoying grooming itself, with its eyes slightly closed and a peaceful expression. Overall, it's a charming and tranquil depiction of a cat in a moment of self-care. The image depicts a close-up of a dog's profile, specifically a beagle. The dog's fur is a mix of brown, white, and black, highlighting its distinctive features. The background appears blurred, emphasizing the dog's attentive expression and large, expressive eyes. The image is displayed on a billboard, surrounded by greenery. The lighting suggests a natural, soft ambiance, creating a warm and inviting scene. The image features a large herd of sheep grazing in a grassy area. The scene appears to be set in a misty or foggy environment, which creates a soft, muted atmosphere. The sheep are predominantly white, with some displaying pink markings, and they are spread across the landscape, surrounded by patches of brown vegetation. In the background, there are trees that contribute to the natural setting. The overall impression is serene and pastoral, highlighting the tranquility of rural life. The image depicts a large billboard displaying a panoramic view of a city skyline, prominently featuring tall skyscrapers. Among them, the Empire State Building stands out with its distinctive spire. The scene has a somewhat overcast sky, giving it a muted color palette. In the distance, more buildings can be seen along with a body of water. The foreground shows a structure supporting the billboard, and there is foliage visible nearby, suggesting a park-like setting. The bridge in the image is the Golden Gate Bridge, located in San Francisco, California. It spans the Golden Gate Strait, the entrance to San Francisco Bay from the Pacific Ocean. The palace in the image is Charlottenburg Palace, located in Berlin, Germany. It's a significant historical site and showcases beautiful gardens and stunning Baroque architecture. The castle in the image is Neuschwanstein Castle, located in Bavaria, Germany. It's known for its picturesque architecture and stunning surroundings, often inspiring fairy tales and movies. I see two apples in the picture, one red and one green. The red apple is on the left side. The green apple is on the right side of the image,